What's up, everybody? Welcome back to your favorite broke bitches channel. Tune in if you want to learn how to lose a man, you get a man back, and still be broke the whole time. No, I'm just playing. Hey y'all, welcome back to your favorite broke bitches channel. So today is Sunday. I have just uploaded my first vlog when a bitch is broke and she has no groceries. If you have not seen that vlog, the link will be below. Go ahead, watch it. It's pretty cool, just my daily life, whatever. I just finished doing a little cleaning. I'm not done. I still need to clean out my fucking cat litter box. Don't want to clean those out because I have 2 cats and I have 2 litter boxes, so ew. But right now I'm making my daily fat girl run to Jack and the Crack, baby. Jack in the Box. I want a breakfast Jack really bad. And of course it's raining because my name is Taylor, and why would it not start raining and I have nothing on my head? I'll be back when I get to Jack in the Box. What the fuck what is my life? There's nothing on my head. Nothing. Okay, so I'm at Jack in the Box. I got rained on. Not fun. I got a little breakfast Jack. Oh shit. I got soda on my fucking tight. Damn it. And I got some Fanta because I haven't had some Fanta, the actual Fanta soda, in forever. Is it Fanta or Fanta? Let me know in the comment section. Do you say Fanta or Fanta? Okay, so we had a semi-successful Jack in the Box run. Got my Jack in the Crack. About to watch a little YouTube. And then I'm probably going to film something today. I don't know what yet. I think I'm going to try doing one of those I followed blanks makeup tutorial because they seem like fun. So I might do one of those today. Haven't really decided. But yeah. Okay, so I just finished filming a video for my channel or whatever, and this is the finished product. It's not my best, but it's not my worst, so it's whatever. I just finished taking some pics for the gram. I'm gonna insert those pics here. Also, make sure y'all go follow me on the gram. I literally always post pictures on my Instagram, so freaking follow me so I can talk to y'all. I'm gonna talk to y'all, DM me, whatever. I'm cool with it. But I'm gonna let my phone charge because my phone's literally on 9% right now, which is just not the cutest thing. And probably find out what I'm gonna cook tonight so I can have some food for the week. Yeah. So I'm gonna check it back in with y'all once my phone is charged because I can't really record with the dead phone. Alright, so it's about 5:38, almost 6 o'clock. Why are there Oreos? So I decided I want tacos, and I do have some tortillas. And I have some sausages that I can cut up, so I'm probably gonna cut those up. We're gonna make tacos. I'm gonna prop you guys up. I'm gonna cut some music on, and we're gonna make tacos. This skillet right here is literally my favorite skillet. One thing about me, I fucking love spinach. I love spinach. I love it. Can't use these sausages because they're bad. They're really bad, actually. It's still the same thing. I'm gonna try using these franks. I kind of want my channel to be whatever the fuck I want it to be. That's kind of where I am with it right now. So my channel is no longer a beauty channel, obviously, because this is the second vlog. Fact, serious confession, I literally think I suck ass at makeup. For real. And I think it's because I see so many people who are actually fucking beauty bloggers who are so fucking good at makeup. And I'm like, bitch, you suck. Go home. You don't have to be a fucking beauty blogger. Just get on the camera, fucking talk shit, and post videos. There's nothing wrong with that. Fucking talk shit and post videos, whatever. Who cares? I open this, instead of popping open the lid, I
If you remember my poor people Sprite from the last video. Some good poor people tacos. A little drink on the side. I'm going back to my room. Okay, so I finished my tacos. I have yet to take off the makeup on my face because I don't feel... Oh my god. Now, what I was about to say before I was rudely interrupted is that I really don't feel like getting up and taking it off. But no, for real, I need to get up. I'm gonna get up, take my makeup off, and then I'm really just gonna edit for the rest of the night. So I'm gonna get up, take my makeup off, edit, take my ass to sleep. Let me just... Oh my god. That's better than sex right there, boy. Oh, that feels so good. Oh my god, now I look like a fucking, like a rat.